out to Mana Island to check out a historic woolshed that's been restored by DOC. Now, Mana Island is a nature reserve, which means we can't have any sheep over there. And I ask you, what is a woolshed without its sheep? Luckily, some local students have come to the rescue. What's the story behind this building here?
Well, Nick, this was probably the first woolshed in New Zealand from which the first export of wool was sent.
And where did it go? I mean, obviously we're out in what I would consider almost the middle of nowhere, although we are just off the Kapiti coast and just north of Wellington. Where would they send the wool?
Well, there were 6 bales of wool exported from here, and it went on a whaleboat across the water here to the mainland, and then from Wellington across to Sydney where it was sold.
Wow, what an effort. What's involved in trying to put something back together like this?
Well, we've had to reclad this woolshed because it was steel and now it's an aluminium cladding because of the salt air. It rusted away. And we just check the timbers occasionally and make sure we replace any rotting timbers with appropriate wood.
How old is it?
It's about 134 years old.
It must be wrong. What kind of fool imagines love with all this going on? The stars burning. She called up and gave me the news. It made me so sad, sad, sad. There was nothing
and these sheep look absolutely gorgeous. How did you come up with the idea for putting sheep back in this woolshed?
I was part of the environmental action group Voice at Paraparaumu College, and we were approached by DOC to make these model sheep for the island, as they no longer can bring real sheep back because it's a conservation reserve. So we made these model sheep.
Oh, and they're just lovely. Do they have names?
Yes, this is Lamb Chops, Buttercup and Rambo.
Rambo. And if you have a look here, you can see Rambo's beautiful big horns, and of course he's a great representation of the original sheep that were here, which were merino sheep. Do you think they'll be happy here in their new place?
Yes, very happy in this environment indeed.
I think so too. We have a huge part to play in telling our stories and looking after our historic heritage. And it's really great when communities or students can get involved, get creative and help put something back.
The hurt that you held so close.